Triumph has unveiled two exciting new road-legal enduro bikes for 2025, the TF450E and TF250E. These models, which will be available to customers by April 2025, represent the British brand's return to the world of off-road racing, building on their 2024 comeback in motocross. Designed from the ground up, these enduro bikes feature significant upgrades over Triumph's existing motocross offerings, with new powertrains, chassis modifications, and advanced electronics to ensure they perform at the highest level in competition. Although the TF450E and TF250E share a similar aesthetic with the firm's motocross models, they are specifically tuned for enduro racing. The main differences are found in their engine displacements and setup. The 450 model is geared more toward tackling open terrain at high speeds, while the 250 focuses on technical precision and agility. Powering the TF450E is a liquid-cooled 449.9cc engine, enhanced with DOHC coatings on critical components like the gudgeon pin and rockers, improving durability and performance. The TF250E features a 249.9cc engine, described as the most powerful in its class. Triumph's 250cc engine revs up to 12,800 RPM, thanks to a lightweight aluminium piston and titanium valves, delivering a peak power of 41.7 brake horsepower and a torque figure of 27.8 Newton-meters. Both bikes are equipped with a 6-speed gearbox, upgraded from their motocross counterparts, with more rotational mass to reduce the likelihood of stalling at low speeds. The engines are managed by bespoke Athena systems, offering dual engine maps that can be switched with the press of a button, with further options available via the optional Wi-Fi module and Triumph's MX Tune Pro app. Additional features like launch control, traction control, and a quick shifter come standard on both bikes, adding to their advanced electronic package. The chassis of both models departs from the usual enduro norm by featuring an aluminium twin-spar frame. Triumph has also slightly adjusted the swingarm geometry, providing sharper steering for improved maneuverability in tight, technical conditions. For suspension, both bikes are equipped with fully adjustable KYB components, with the 48mm front forks offering 300mm of travel. The rear shock, featuring a 3-way adjustable linkage, provides 313mm of travel, slightly less than the motocross models, contributing to a 5mm lower seat height of 955mm. The bikes also feature a range of high-tech elements, including a digital speedometer displaying real-time data such as engine temperature, trip information, and gear position. Both the front and rear lighting are LED, while the 8.3-liter fuel tank is designed for long rides. Lightweight DID Dirt Star 7000 rims are laced to cast hubs, and Michelin's new Enduro Medium 2 tires offer excellent grip in varied conditions. The TF250E weighs in at 114.2 kilograms wet, while the TF450E tips the scales at 116.7 kilograms. These new bikes aim to take on the best in the enduro world, combining cutting-edge technology with Triumph's renowned performance heritage.